Where's the tripod?
Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm in my car right now because I'm about to head over to my friend's house to go help him build a gaming computer. He had like, I think a budget of around like 1,000 or something, so it's going to be pretty baller. So yeah, the only thing is I forgot to bring my tripod for the trusty NEX 5N. I'm recording on the Pixel 6 right now, great camera, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head over and see if we can get it built. So let's go.
We're all set, let's go. Turn left, then turn right on South Mingo Road. Turn right on South.
Oh, look at my boy. Look at my boy.
Not the two cameras.
My graphics card, bro, is so hyped to get them. Crying. 3-fanner, my boy, 3-fanner.
6600 XT right there. Big old graphics card.
All right, Jeff, should I go over the parts, man?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, so first of all, big beefy part. We got the graphics card of the AMD RX 6600 XT. I chose Team Red because cheaper than Team Green, and also it's 10 to 15% faster than the 3060 from what I've heard, and it's also like almost on par with the 3060 Ti, and it was literally on sale, so like I had to do it. And it's a 3-fanner, so it's beautiful.
And got 8 gigs of VRAM. Definitely will last you a while.
Yes, sir. And then for the Intel Core i5-12400F, this is the processor I went with. It's probably the best budget processor you can probably buy right now from Intel, so good choice. It was only like 170, so cannot go wrong. Power supply, went with a EVGA 650 watt gold power supply entitled the Supernova, as you can see right there in that pink text. And then for my storage, I got 3 terabytes of storage. We got this SN770 from Western Digital, the Black Series. It's a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD drive, very, very nice. And then for my hard drive, this is where I'll put like my games and all that type of stuff. We got the Western Digital Blue 2 terabyte, pretty solid. Both of these things in total cost like $150. And then for the RAM, just to keep with the white theme of my case, I went with the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL. SL meaning slim, there's really no performance boost or anything with that at all. DDR4 is what I went with, 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes to make up 16 gigabytes of memory and 3200 megahertz. Pretty budget, and it's, you know, very solid. It's gonna last me a little bit. I plan to upgrade the RAM.
How much should that cost you? Are you sure that's budget?
The RAM?
I don't think
It's not really budget.
RGB.
It's 70. It was like 78 bucks. But I mean,
78? Okay,
yeah,
that's
it was
not
like
bad,
78. It's not
actually.
horrible for
Okay.
Corsair. Not
I
horrible.
know like the Dominator ones are like really expensive.
Yeah.
The RGB ones.
For my air cooler for my CPU, I went with the ID Cooling SE214XT. It's RGB. That's really one of the main reasons I chose it. And surprisingly, this is actually budget, even though it is RGB. $20 off of Amazon. I heard really good things. And I mean, you can ask Jeff. We had a whole debacle.
Yeah.
An air cooler. I bought an air cooler originally from Deep Cool that was not compatible with the LGA 1700 sockets.
Cooler.
Yeah, very old cooler. It's like 4 years old. But this one's also old, but they actually package it now with 1700s. So yeah, very solid. And then this brown box here looks suspicious, but it's actually his case fans, because the case we have right here, which is the Deep Cool McCube 110, Actually only comes with one case fan in the back right there, so we're gonna have 2 fans up top and then 3 in the front. That's my ideal setup.
Does it support 3 in the front? I can't remember.
It does, yeah.
It does?
3
Oh, okay.
120s, 2 120s up top.
So we're going to be having it fully loaded.
Yes, sir. All the air we can possibly have. And then for the heart of this baby, we got the ASRock B660M Steel Legend motherboard, micro ATX. This is a micro ATX build. This motherboard is very nice, has RGB on the back. Literally, I love RGB. RGB obviously equals more frames, as you guys know.
Absolutely.
So if you don't have enough RGB, guys, just know your gaming performance is going to be hindered because more colors equals more frames, which equals more kills, which equals more W's.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
yeah. Anyways, let's get to it.
All right.
You ready?
Yep. I'm messing with you. There's a switch on the back.
Bro.
You gotta turn on.
That'd be so awkward. Do I keep the eco mode off?
Yeah, you can do that.
All right. Here we go. After Joel's trolling, I already see some lights coming from the motherboard, so that's a good sign. Did I not hold it down long enough?
You don't have to hold it down.
So this turned on for a second and just turned off.
Just tries to reset. Okay, power switch.
About to do a take 2 on this. Be just a second. Some technical difficulties. All right, guys. Take 461. We've been working hard. We've troubleshooted everything. Hopefully it works this time. Jeff, are you ready?
Who knows?
Woo! Jeff, I believe we have done it.
Well guys, that's a wrap for Ethan Scott's $1,000 PC build. It turned out beautifully, and even though it didn't power up on the first try, we got it running and it runs great. Ethan is going to get some great use out of this machine. It shouldn't have any issue playing the latest and greatest at high graphical detail. I had a lot of fun with this video. Ethan also has a channel of his own. Go check out Yarilo on YouTube. There will be a link in the video description. I'll also have a link to the parts used in this build in the description as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little collab. If you want to see more content like this, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and make sure you're subscribed and have notifications enabled for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.